In this video, I am going to show you how to buy USDT from Bitget app using P2P transaction. Ensure you have completed the KYC verification process to access all features on the app. Next, click on the Buy Crypto button located on the first page of the app. Tap on P2P Trading button below the Buy Crypto button. Choose the buy category located at the top of the screen, and then select the cryptocurrency and fiat currency you wish to transact with. Browse through the available P2P merchant ads and select the ones that suits your requirements, and then click Buy button. Enter the desired purchase amount, ensuring it falls within the minimum and maximum limits specified by the seller. Now, click on the Buy USDT button to confirm your purchase. Next, you have to select the payment method supported by the seller and click the Confirm Buy button. Make the payment within the transaction deadline specified by the seller. Click the Next button once the payment is made. To open the chat window, click on the Speech Balloon button at the top right. Review your transaction history through the last pop-up and ensure the payment was made correctly. Click the Paid button to complete the payment order verification. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.